At Sytner, we want your vehicle to perform at its best, so we're delighted to offer the award-winning EDT engine decontamination system. This service is engineered to improve performance in both diesel and petrol engines by removing burnt engine oil and sludge deposits. Like cholesterol in your arteries, these deposits in your oil passageways restrict oil flow, reduce power and efficiency, and shorten the life of your engine. During a regular oil change, some of the old oil and any sludge or varnish deposits remain in your engine, meaning the new oil quickly becomes darkened and contaminated, preventing it from easily flowing to all the parts it needs to reach. When you bring your vehicle to us for an engine decontamination treatment, we promise you visibly cleaner engine oil, not only immediately after the treatment, but for weeks afterwards. After draining the oil from your engine, the engine decontamination system heats, then pulses a light mineral oil into and around your engine's oil passageways. This pulsing action breaks down and removes up to half a litre of harmful residue that's normally left in your engine after a conventional oil change. The system then vacuums these deposits out of your engine and filters the mineral oil through a 1-micron filtration system. The process is repeated multiple times to make sure your engine internals are clean. Free-flowing oil reduces the internal friction in your engine and allows for a smoother, more refined drive. Before the final vacuuming out, pressurized air is used to force any remaining oil out of the engine, preventing contamination of your new engine oil. Independent tests show that the engine decontamination service results in reduced engine emissions, increased engine power, and our customers regularly report improved fuel economy. At Sytner, we care about your vehicle, and by offering this EDT engine decontamination, we are helping you to prolong the life of your engine and reduce your exhaust emissions. Don't put clean oil in a dirty engine. Schedule your engine decontamination service today.